Discover the most legendary wineries and traditional cellars of Santorini through a unique wine tasting journey. Taste its award-winning volcanic wines as you move between the most legendary wineries on a half-day wine tasting tour of Santorini. Santorini Wine Adventure specializes in wine and food activities, offering guests small group and private tours to explore the wine, food, and culture of Santorini and Greece.
And all of them are old as 200 years old.
Take part in a one-of-a-kind experience ideal for everybody. Start your journey into the world of Santorini wine. Book your wine tour today at winetoursantorini.com.